In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or share a video in a PDF file using Acrobat Pro. Whether you're looking to enhance a presentation or simply want to provide additional information through video, embedding a video in your PDF can be an effective solution. Let's walk through the steps together. Firstly, open up Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. Once you have it running, navigate to File in the top menu and click Open to bring up the dialog box. From here, select the PDF file you wish to edit. This is a fundamental step as Adobe Acrobat Pro has the tools we need to embed rich media like videos. Next, to enable the features required for our task, you'll need to enter the rich media tools. Do this by clicking on Tools located in the top menu bar. Scroll down until you find Rich Media and select Add Video. This will prompt you with the tools needed to add video content to your PDF. Now, we move on to inserting your video. To begin, decide where you want the video to appear in your PDF and draw a rectangle in that area. This rectangle will serve as a placeholder for your video. Once you've done that, an Insert Video dialog box will pop up. Within this dialog box, you have a couple of options. If the video file is stored on your computer, select File and ensure it's an appropriate format such as MP4, MOV, or AVI. Alternatively, if your video is hosted online, such as a YouTube video, opt for the web link option and paste the link there. After selecting your video source, you can set the playback options. Decide whether you want the video to autoplay when the PDF is opened, or if it should require a click to start playing. Also, you might choose whether you want a controller bar to be visible, which can enhance user control over the video playback. Once you're satisfied with these options, click OK to finalize your video settings. Finally, it's time to adjust your video's placement within the PDF. Simply click and drag the video box to reposition it. If you find that you need to tweak the playback properties later, you can right-click on the video and select Properties to make any necessary changes. And there you have it! You've successfully added a video to your PDF document. Incorporating videos into your PDFs can significantly enrich your content and provide your readers with a more interactive experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.